Here's how to turn off picture-in-picture on YouTube Mobile. Now, if I start playing a video and I hop out of here, you can see Jon Stewart moves all around and it's a picture-in-picture of that video. However, if you don't like that, you can easily turn it off in the YouTube app. So just open up the YouTube app and let's hop out of this video. From here, of course, we need to go to your settings in the YouTube app to be able to change this. So tap on U at the bottom right and the gear icon at the top right. Now, it used to be in the general part of your settings, but of course they've moved it around and now you can disable the picture-in-picture in the playback section. So all we need to do is tap on playback here, and at the very bottom, picture-in-picture, if you exit YouTube, video continues the mini player on top of other apps. All you need to do is toggle this off, and now if you go back into YouTube and you start playing a video and exit out, it will completely exit out of it.